Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Lootcrate. Now,
Finally!
I think did it come yesterday, the day before? I can't remember, but it's a November box, so I'm just gonna say that much.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Said it was gonna be late, but I expected it to get here by like December 1st, I guess. But we're like, I think it took till the 7th to get it or something like that.
It's a long time.
Anyway, so when you open it up,
we almost thought she wasn't getting it.
That is what it looks like. I know, and I was thinking about canceling it, but because it came after the 1st, like the billing date for December already passed, so I paid for December, so maybe I'll cancel it for January. I don't know.
Exciting science.
Okay. I have a cold.
That must be the theme. Exciting science. Is that alien?
I don't know what this is off the top of my head.
I couldn't see it very well, but
I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look it up.
It looks like either alien or something, but I don't know. I might be wrong.
Here, I'll hand that to you. Maybe I can find a card and you can look it up while I'm going to the next thing.
Or maybe something
with this, maybe? Is that
I don't know. I'm probably totally wrong. It looks like little fighters or something. Like,
I'm like, am I missing the little card thing? It's not that, right? Because that's like the, I don't know.
No,
I don't need the HelloFresh thing.
Oh no, this is, yeah, it tells you what you get. So.
Oh, it does? Or?
What? Well, a couple, I saw something in here that was in here, so I'm assuming that's what that was. Maybe.
Well, I'll just go to the next thing. If you find out what the shirt is of, let me know. Okay, so then the next thing is Little Sister, Final Figure, Bioshock.
Oh, it's Westworld. That's why the W, duh. Okay. Sorry, Westworld.
And I got that little...
That's Hayes' small sister. Oh, it's a Bioshock. I feel like I bought that game and then only played it like once.
And this big box. I'll see what's in here. Oh, it's a cup.
Oh yeah, that's what it said. Oils. Hermanos.
Is that from
Chug Like a Chicken? Let's see.
Is it from Breaking Bad? No.
Yeah.
Or Better Call Saul. Yeah.
Okay. Fans of Breaking Bad learn something delicious really is always cooking at the Southwest #1 fried chicken fast food chain. And it isn't always chicken.
That's cool. I like that.
I need to watch those shows. I never do.
I'll stick that in there for now. Okay. And then
the box. So you'll get one of like 4. I think.
Well, I'll do the pin first, I guess.
Fine.
So the pin is, it says, screw your lab safety. I want superpowers. It's cute. Hopefully I'm just getting it close enough to the camera.
I know, I don't
and
see
then the last thing is...
It says, does whatever an art print can. That's funny.
Yeah,
it's cute.
I know it's like Spider-Man on it. I just don't know if it's like, is it just a print?
Yeah.
Just like
the 5x7. Oh, you do get all 4.
Oh.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, so it has
It
Spider-Man.
has to do with like the Spider-Man universe. That's cool.
I can't even separate these things. Okay, and then you get
the Green Goblin or whatever it's called.
I think so. The next
one's Venom.
Yeah.
Can't remember the other dude, the red one.
Carnage?
Carnage, yeah, I couldn't think of his name. I was like, it's on there though.
Yeah, and then Carnage.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool.
You can always, like, if in your game room, you can always put those up on the wall, like, just, I mean, if you don't mind them getting dirty. But that was a kind of cute box. I just wish it came, you know, November 30th, December 1st at the latest, and instead it's like a week later. She didn't know if it was coming or not, but, eek.
I can't get it back in again.
And we'll let you know the price of this box unless you know off the top of your head, Kim. No? Is it 32? No? Okay.
I want to say like 27, but I don't know if that's right.
If you saw anything you liked, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We are doing another one at 200 subscribers, and if we didn't mention already, we are wearing blue in a lot of our videos back to back just because we're doing 5 back-to-back videos. But take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.